Today we are just cozy in bed, and welcome to another vlogmas video. Hope you guys do like what I'm about to show you guys. Like, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how happy I am, and I'm just so happy that I was also one of the ones that got the gifts from YouTube. Today I was just going through the most, but I'm so happy to even receive this gift, because maybe before we even start this unboxing, I hope you subscribe and you're not watching my videos for free, because girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, I don't understand. Why aren't you subscribing to my channel? So YouTube was kind enough to send me this gift. I know the quality probably is not what you guys are used to, because I have a problem with my ring light. So I'll be unboxing everything that's inside here with you guys. So I just hope that everything that's in won't fall, because that would be a mess, and that's the last thing I need. So this is what it's inside. And inside it, there's this card. So let me just read the message to you guys. Thank you for being part of the Boss and Bloom community. Let this moment be a turning point for you to commit to becoming your most empowering self, stepping in the fullest expression of your life, and working towards even the dreams we seem impossible. We encourage you to connect beyond YouTube events too, as we know the collective help us achieve more together through collaboration. We look forward to support you further while you share your journey. Team at YouTube. This is the card. I hope you guys can see. So there's this. Hope you guys can see information cards that's inside it. Don't know if you guys can see. The first card says, you are unique and needed in the world. You are enough, and I am enough, girl. This is the first card. The card is from Sinea up something. I'll probably leave her name on the screen. That does these amazing information cards. This is so cute, you guys. This is something I needed. Like, I needed this box, and especially now that I just wanted new things in my place. And also, this is part of the reason why I'm not showing you guys my whole entire place, what's been happening, because the only part that I'm using the most is my room, whereas I'm shooting all my videos. So probably next year, that's when I'll show you guys everything, like give you guys a tour on probably in my room, because I'm just gonna show you that because I use my room a lot. So I also got this. I don't know what's inside, but the card on the outside says, give her hope, sustain dignity. And about to give her hope, we're a small business that empower women in our local community to generate an income. Thank you for being part of making that happen. This is so cute, you guys. This box smells so good. It smells like nature, and I needed something like this in my place, because wow, I just love nice smells. I'm not the type of person that likes like very strong smell, but if my nostrils can take up that smell, then it's good for me. If my nostrils can't, because I have like bad sinuses, so if it can handle that, then we're good. So let me open this up. Wow, you guys, look. I don't know if you guys can see properly what's inside. I don't know what this is. It's Give Her Hope. It's in vanilla. What's this? I think, oh wow, these products are handmade, you guys. At the back of this it's written, it's a small business, like what I just said to you guys. These products are handmade. The ingredients, it's coconut oil, essential oil, and yeah, but I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a soap or something like that. Give Her Hope. Yeah, let me show you guys some vanilla fave. I love vanilla, you guys. Wow. Guys, this smells so good. I love the scent of whatever this is. It smells so good. Wow. This one smells like lemon creams, if you guys do know those biscuits. Oh wow, the Baker's Choice biscuits, by the way, if you guys don't know that. Wow, it's in moringa. Is it moringa or marina? And lemongrass. I don't wanna open it until I'm sure. It's probably both thingies. Wow, I'm so impressed with the smell. Wow, I'm very impressed. And I wonder what this is. I wonder what this is, because I also forgot to unbox on my Instagram, because they wanted us to use like the hashtag they provided on the email. Oh wow, this is so cute. I love it. I think I'm gonna put that next to my dressing table, next to my books. My mom would have loved this. She would have loved it so much. I think I'm gonna put this how it was, because I still need to unbox on my Instagram. So I also received this too. I also received this, but so from the same company. Wow. Oh wow, it's from the same it's just from this Sania or something like that. I don't know, you guys, her name. I hope you guys can see her name, and then you guys probably will know how to pronounce that. They gave me a mind clearing bath salt. Quit your mind and your soul to speak. Guys, this is what I need. I needed things like this, you guys. For me, these gifts are more like okay Sunday gifts that I will use probably on Sunday. These are the gifts that I'll use on Sunday. Oh my god, just so I can start like the new week on a fresh mindset, because girl, we are going through the most, so we need just to pick me up on Sundays when we're chilling and editing more videos. So yeah, I also received this cute necklace. Is it a necklace? It's a necklace. Yeah, I think it's a necklace because it has this thingy. I don't know what this is. I think maybe you probably insert those things inside this necklace. I'll probably would wear this because wow. I also received an essential oil, you guys. Everything is more like cute scents I will use at my place. Wow, you guys, these gifts are so amazing. Like, I'm so impressed with YouTube. Wow. And yeah, this is the candle. I've been looking for scented candles. The smell smells so amazing. Guys, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. It's also from the Sania girl. It's also from the Sania company. You are loved. Oh god, you are loved and connect with your wellness. The company is in Cape Town. Wow, I need to search them up and see what other things they're selling, if they do sell the products because wow, it smells so good. Wow, you guys. And I also received these nice biscuits. It's the chocolate chip oats biscuit fave. These are my fave already. So yeah, that's all that was in the box, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my gifts, and thanks to YouTube for this amazing gift. And I am happy that I was part of the YouTubeBlack event, the BossAndBloom event. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.